Hello everyone, welcome to ARCR Technologies Private Limited. Prepare to discover the power behind empowering complaints and unlocking the path to customer success. In this series, we will discuss complaints. So let's get started. Complaint means user may submit complaints or raise issues through the system, often in the form of support tickets. These complaints can cover all kinds of issues, including slow internet, no internet, website issues, ping drop issues, router configuration issues, or other technical problems they encountered while using the internet. In today's video, we will be discussing the topic of complaints and exploring various functionalities within the dashboard. Specifically, we will focus on the tickets overview sections, which provides a comprehensive summary of the tickets in our system. Let's take a closer look at each aspect. This system allows both administrators and users to raise tickets conveniently through the admin portal, admin app, user portal, and user app. The steps for raising tickets on each platform are as follows. First, we will see admin portal. Go to the complaint section on the dashboard. Click on add tickets. Provide details such as username or mobile number or email address or IP address or billing address or installation address. Select the complaint type and subtype from the drop-down list. Briefly explain about the complaints in Open Notes section. Optionally, provide additional information in the Open Notes section. If necessary, assign the ticket immediately by selecting the assigned user from the drop-down list. If you have any notes to assign user, you can write it in notes. Now we will see admin app. Now we will see how to raise a ticket in admin app. Download the OneRadius app from the Play Store. Log in with your username and password. Access the dashboard details and click on the ticket icon. Choose the Raise option. Select the customer, type of issue, subtype, and add any notes if needed. Click on Add to raise the ticket, which will be in the open state. The ticket will also be visible in the admin portal app's open ticket section. Now we can see the closed tickets, progress tickets, etc. Next, we will see how to raise a ticket in user portal. Log in to the user portal at wifiuser.thecloudradius.com. Provide your username and password. Then access the dashboard and click on the complaint section. Select the complaint type and subtype and provide any necessary explanations in the notes. Click on Raise to submit the complaint successfully. Next, we will see how to raise a ticket in user app. Download the user app from the Play Store. Log in using your credentials to access the user portal. Navigate to the menu button and go to Tickets. Choose the Raise Tickets option. Select the ticket type, subtype, and click on Raise to successfully raise the ticket. Tickets can be raised efficiently and effectively using the available platform. In today's video, we will be discussing the topic of complaints and exploring various functionalities within the dashboard. Specifically, we will focus on the tickets overview sections, which provides a comprehensive summary of the tickets in our system. Let's take a closer look at each aspect. First one, action. With the action column, you will find a gear icon that is visible only for open tickets. Clicking on the gear icon opens a menu with several options. First one, notes. This allows you to add any additional information or notes related to the tickets. Next, assign. If you need to assign the tickets to another user or department, you can select the appropriate option from here. Next, edit. In case any information needs to be modified, you can make the necessary edits using this feature. Next, delete. For any reason you need to remove the ticket from the system, you can utilize the delete option. Additionally, there is a call icon that enables you to initiate a phone call with the respective user or customer associated with the ticket. Next, ticket number. A unique identifier assigned to each ticket for easy reference and tracking. Next, account number. In a ticketing system, the term account number typically refers to a unique identifier associated with a customer or a user account. It serves as a reference or reference number to identify and link specific tickets or support case to a particular account. Next, open time. Typically refers to the duration or length of the time that a complaint remains unsolved or open within a complaints management system. Next, username. A username is typically chosen by the user during the registration or account creation process. Next, status. In status, we have options like open, progress, reopen, resolved. Here is an explanation of each status. First one, open. This status indicates that the complaint has been received and logged in the system, but it has not yet been assigned or actively worked on by the support team. Next, progress. This status shows that the ticket is actively being addressed and worked on by the support team. They are working towards resolving the issue. Next, reopen. This status is used when a previously resolved complaint is reopened due to the issue not being fully resolved. It signifies that the complaint has been reopened for future resolution. Next, resolved. This status indicates that the support team has addressed the complaint or issue to the satisfaction of the user or according to the established resolution criteria. The issue is considered resolved and further action may not be required. Next, closed. This status indicates that the ticket or complaint has been fully resolved and no further action is needed. It may also indicate that the complaint has been closed due to the inactive or other reasons, such as duplicate or invalid complaints. Next, online status. The online status refers to the indication of whether a user is currently active or not in a specific platform. The two main online status options are online and offline. Online means this status indicates that the user is currently connected to the internet. Offline means this status indicates that the user is not currently connected to the internet. Next, account status. A account status refers to the current state or condition of a user's account within a system or platform. Here are some common account status options. First one, active. This status indicates that the user account is currently active. The user has access to all features and functionalities associated with their account. Expired. This status is used when an account has reached its expiration date. Typically, the user may need to renew or reactivate their account to regain access. Next, suspended. When an account is suspended, it means that the temporary restrictions or limitations have been imposed on the account due to violation of terms of services or not renewed, then the user goes to suspended state. Next, disabled. This status indicates that the account has been permanently disabled or deactivated. It could be due to various reasons, such as violation of severe terms of services, account closure, or user request to close the account permanently. Next, new. New means when a customer is created, they are initially assigned the new state. This state signifies that the customer is newly registered or has not yet undergone the renewal process. The customer remains in the state until they renew their status by fulfilling the necessary requirements or taking the required actions. Now, the customer name. If you want to search for a particular customer, we can search them in a customer name. Next, partner. If you want to search for a particular partner, we can search them in a drop-down list of partner. Next, branch. If you want to search for a particular branch, we can search them in a drop-down list of branch. Next, area. If you want to search for a particular area, we can search them in a drop-down list of area. Next, colony. If you want to search for a particular colony, we can search them in a drop-down list of colony. Next, mobile. If you want to search for a particular mobile number, we can search them in a mobile option. Here we can see option like installation address, complaint type, complaint subtype, source. For all options, if you want to address a particular complaint type, you can access from the drop-down list. Next, open notes. Whatever the notes we have written while raising a complaint, it will shown here. Next, assign time. Assigned time typically refers to the time of which a specific complaint is assigned to a person or a team. Next, assigned by. Assigned by refers to the person who assigns a task to someone else in a support team. Next, assigned to. Assigned to refers to the person who are selected to be responsible for completing a specific task. Next, assigned duration. Assigned duration refers to estimate amount of time allocated for completing a task like less than 4 hours or greater than 4 hours or greater than 8 hours or greater than 12 hours. Next, assigned notes. Assigned notes typically refers to additional information, instructions or details provided alongside a task or assignment when it is assigned to someone, such as task details, clarifications, etc. Next, resolve time. Resolve time refers to a time at which a particular complaint is marked as resolved within a customer support platform. It represents the moment when the report problem has been successfully resolved to the satisfaction of the customer. Next, resolve duration. Resolve duration refers to the amount of time it takes to resolve a specific complaint. It represents the duration between when the problem is reported or logged and when it is marked as resolved within a customer support platform, like less than 4 hours, greater than 4 hours, greater than 8 hours or greater than 12 hours. Next, resolved by. The person who took the necessary actions to resolve the reported problem. Next, Resolved notes. Resolved notes refers to the additional information or details recorded when a complaint is marked as resolved within the customer support platform. Next, closed time. Closed time refers to the time at which a specific complaint is officially marked as closed within a customer support platform. Next, closed by. Closed by refers to the person responsible of officially closing a specific complaint within a customer support platform. Next, closed notes. Closed notes typically refers to the final remarks, comments or detailed recorded when a complaint is officially marked as closed within a customer support platform. Next, ticket time. Ticket time typically refers to the duration or timeline associated with a specific ticket within a ticketing system or a customer support platform. It represents the time it takes to handle, resolve or close a ticket for its creation or submission to its final resolution. Created by. Created by refers to the person who initiated a specific ticket within a ticketing system or customer support platform. It signifies the individual or system responsible for logging or entering the ticket into the system. This is all about ticket overview. Next, add tickets. To raise a ticket, customers need to provide the following details like username or mobile number or email address or IP address or billing address or installation address. Next, select the complaint type from the drop-down list, followed by selecting the complaint subtype from another drop-down list. If additional information is required to explain the complaint, it can be written in the open notes. If you prefer to assign the ticket later, click on Assign Later. These tickets will appear under Open Notes. To assign the tickets immediately, click on the Assign button and select the assigned user from the drop-down list. Choose the department to which the ticket should be assigned and add any relevant notes. Then click on Save to complete the process. Assigned tickets can be viewed under Progress Tickets. Note that customers can raise multiple complaints, but each complaint type should be unique. Duplicated complaint types may be flagged by the system. Next, Open Tickets. Open tickets are those not yet assigned to any department. New tickets can be added by clicking on Add option. In the Settings section, you can customize the columns displayed on the dashboard. For example, if you don't want to see the status column, simply deselect it and click on Submit. For a detailed explanation of each column, refer to the Tickets Overview section. If you want to retrieve open tickets for a specific month, use the Open Time option and specify the desired month or date. You can also export the information by clicking on Export. Next, Progress Tickets. Progress tickets are those already assigned to a department. Additional tickets can be added by clicking on Add. In Action, click on gear icon and assign the ticket. Next, resolve tickets. When a reported problem has been successfully resolved, the complaint is categorized as a resolved ticket. If the customer is satisfied with the solution, the complaint can be closed from the gear icon in the Action column, moving it to the Closed Ticket section. If the customer is not satisfied, the complaint can be reopened from the gear icon in the Action column. Other column option remains the same in the ticket overview. Next, closed tickets. Closed tickets indicates that the complaints have been fully resolved and no further action is required. Next, reopened complaints. Reopened complaints are tickets that have been previously resolved but have now been reopened. Next, My Tickets. My Tickets displays tickets that have been assigned by the users. Next, Complaint Main Type. In the Complaint Main Type section, you can create complaint types based on specific categories. To create a complaint type, click on Create. Select the partner name. Enter the type, example slow internet, and save the details. Next, complaint subtype. In the complaint subtype section, you can create subcategories for complaint types. To create a complaint subtype, click on Create. Select the parent type ID. Enter the complaint name, example slow internet fix, and save the details. Successfully created the complaint main type and complaint subtype. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. We hope you found our content informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable insights and exciting content in the future. Stay tuned and thank you for being a part of our community.